Big up on yourselves, people. As usual, I don't know a thing already. Bar stock. Me there on the beach side again. Nice piece of beach, so you know. Yeah, man, you have a dock over there, so. You have a ramp over there, so. But the boats then go and launch. You have the pier or the dock right there, so. Where people go walk out, go fishing, and all our vibes. And here, so you have a cabana like what me there, where people forward in and have them celebration or just chill out like what me are doing. Make a video. I have a swing song right there, so. Yep. Anyway, by saying that, me I say now, this is a video with Honorable Andrew Holness go Port Royal, go Lego some water for the people then. Couple millions of gallons. You know, new project where releasing at the area. It have good things, so we can't say nothing bad about the good thing. You see me? Yeah, man. But the question, you know them things, I have to have some questions to ask. You know, why take so long for something like that happen, and why it can't spread across the country? You know, we don't disrespect the whole thing because it's a real good effort. And then it's still at the end of the day come down to the MP, Member of Parliament, and ultimately the Prime Minister of the country. But the MP have to take the first lashing. And we all know who the MP is. Why it takes so long? You know, because sufferation is something we need to stop in. Sufferation need to stop, man. I mean, especially when resources are there for put on the people then. You see, because you up now. This is my principle in life. Energy. And this is from physics. You can't stop it and you can't build it. Now the definition is that energy cannot be created or destroyed. It moves from one form to the next. And my principle and my mantra that in our life. And we use it in every little aspect. Now in this aspect, you know, when we look use it is to say, alright. When you have sufferation in our country, it now go just, that's one, and sufferation is an energy by itself, right? So when you have a sufferation, it now go just end a man or suffer and go dead. He have to live. So when you have a sufferer, the sufferer is going to turn, go do some unscrupulous things. Because he don't have the resources for having a meal every day. Right? But you have to find it. Is that find time I go dead a sufferer. Now when you have a sufferer now, you are going to have the man who turn criminal. And then I want another energy that chip in. Now that criminal now, the criminal are going to launch some more criminalities. Because if he's successful, then you know say I feel job that. And that's how you find a lot of means now of survival from people. Some real creative means of survival. Because the normal survival now works, so they have to try another way. So that me I talk about. When you have a nation that suffer, they are going to find it out. When the standard of living of people is not high, then they are going to find a way out. And that's one of the reasons why you have like a lot of criminalities in our country. A lot of, we call it bandolism, where appear under the table things at work. Why? Because it's too much red tape, too much suffering, you know, too much ism and schism go on when things can be done easily. And that leads to the country being blacklisted in many, many ways. Right? If you go for open an account at one bank, Lord Jesus. You have to wonder if I hear money you put in there and them give you money. Because you have to go through so many things. JP, MP, Notary Public. Everybody have to go through to put some money in the bank. You know it caused by something. It's because we are ranked as like a corrupt nation. Because of the level of crime and the level of money laundering and stuff. The first world country ranked us in a area where they are saying that we have to have measures to deal with the money. So normally you could have go to the bank and just open my account and lodge your money in. And now they must say no. I only put money I hide off and I stash off in the country, so we need to know where the source of the money coming from. So that's one of the reasons there. There are many other areas that I could have dropped in an example of. Even when you have your PayPal, you use PayPal, you can't turn your PayPal into cash in other region. Because of the same thing there. So, when I say with the government, and that you have to look upon. When you have the resource to stop the suffering or improve the standard of living of the people, then you are going to have the people them live better, less criminalities. Because not everybody want to go in a crime in a Boston. And not everybody. But people have to live. You have some people that greed them at work with. Naturally, you have to have some greedy people who go against the norm because they want to live up your son. But you have some people who just want to live your son. They just don't want to get in any problems with nobody. They just want to go work their honest money, come back in, pay them bills, and just easy in their life. That's what majority of the people want. But you have some people really, as I said, greedy. And some people just have to go through criminalities because they're not going to lie down and dead. And we don't expect that for you. So back to me, I talk about the water thing. That is a good move. Very good move. Long overdue. And this is some good moves I make in the administration. Right? Some very real good moves I make. I mean, understand the interest rate went down by 3.6%, which is very high. I mean, sorry, very good, very low. Went down, unemployment rate down. But at the end of the day, still, what I say is the man or woman on the street don't really see it like that still. And you know, maths is a thing we can manipulate. Seriously. When you want to hide certain people out, you go by percentage. And when you want to include everybody in it, you go by the hard numbers. See? I'll make you a good example. If you want to say me use BVI, because I got BVI the other day. British Virgin Islands. British Virgin Islands have some of the richest people in the world, right? You have the one of Google, you understand him, live down there. You have Virgin Man, where the Virgin Man name again? Branson, live down there. Well, see, you have some more people. So, just for argument's sake, you have 5 of the richest persons live in our area, in our BVI. But the rest of people are poor as hell. Now, if you average up the entire population, if you put everybody and average up the entire population, what do I call it now? The average, the money to person ratio, I go high enough because of those 5 persons. So if you go by average, if you go by percentage, you can say BVI have the ice like what do I call it now? Shit, I don't know if you call it the ice standard of living in the world, or the whatever, the 5th ice and the 2nd average, because of them 5 people there. So if you go by that now, a lot of people will last. But if you go by, if you say, well, watch out, 5 of the richest people live there, but the rest of them, if you take out them people are the poorest of the world, it is more understandable. But you can manipulate the maths to fit your data. You see me? Yes, so that me I talk about. So, I don't know if that figure there is a manipulative type of figure, if you chew off the facts, or it's really and truly what the hard facts is. So, as I say, improve the standard of living of the people, and then the country will be improved. crime rate are gonna go down. Because if you want to have the crime rate down, you know so jobs are for dead. In the crime rate down is a whole heap of things change for the better in the country. And me I gonna list out two. You're gonna have more, they call it again, you're gonna have more investment in your country because investors are coming because they know so yes, extortion have to pay, the employee now go dead, in a, you know, they might have customers, so the investment coming. The next part is that you're not gonna have the level of attention, the bad publicity on your country, so it will improve the visiting of tourists in the country. That's two. Yeah, and I told me say me again. I always give an honor everyone, you know. Yeah, when it comes to like especially the murders, the dead houses, them. We call them dead house, me call them also. They not have much workers. And I good part that. Yeah man. But anyway people, I might think that pan a day. So big up on yourselves also. I go hold a little wash off in the sea and wash off my heart. So as usual, big up on yourselves. In Panic Talk. Love it. Out. Have that.